cactus, man. Look at that, straight from my hometown. I got some water. Got some water. Got my cacao. He's so excited. We got our bikes. There we go.
Alright, fuck it. I don't think I did it right, but whatever.
What this guy's doing.
Oh my god! That moved! No, well, no more.
Pussy.
Get a zoom on that. Get a zoom on that. Alright, well, that's cool.
We are at our checkpoint. We're on a bike ride. We're at Venice boardwalk. It's pretty cool. Ready? Got some water.
Some bird poop, man. All of a sudden I just felt something on my leg. I was like,
Really has some bad luck today.
whatever.
That's where I'm going. Checkpoint number 2, Santamonica. We're almost at the pier, right there. There's my buddy. The end. I can't stop laughing. Oh shit. Got that shit on camera. Look at that beauty, Vili. Look at that beauty. It's so good.
What a beauty.
We're gonna get there, right? Welcome.
Welcome to the pier.
Selfie. Where are we?
Santamonica pier.
It's our last day.
Last day, last few hours.
God damn.
Trying to soak it in.
How
as
was
much
this
as
trip?
we could. Man, it was nice. Got a lot of knowledge, a lot of good content in the brain. Just gotta reinforce it and take action. You know.
That's good.
Some
Went
pretty
by so
crazy
fast.
stuff. Time flies when you're having fun.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying?
De todo lo demás nos olvidamos.
Arriba! Ahua!
May I have your attention, please?
That's so cool. I wanted the back one. Look what I got.
That's recycling it.
Time to go.